Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Ganda ng araw natin ngayon guys. Sana tuloy-tuloy ang ulan. Para matapos na yung mga nakaraang bagyo at matuyo yung mga nababasang mga albahin dyan na nabubulok na. At tumuyo na rin yung kalsada guys. Ang ganda guys. So, Shangri-La. Yan yung Shangri-La guys. Shangri-La building yan guys. Yung EDSA Shangri-La. Yung Mega Mall guys. Mega Mall. Good morning Mega Mall. Aga pa guys. Yung hilipad ng Mega Mall guys. Pag may helicopter kayo dyan kayo dumapo dyan. Yung mga alaga nyo, padapuin nyo dyan. San Miguel Street. Good morning guys. Ganda ng sinag ng araw guys. Oh, sarap magpapawis ngayon. Ingat-ingat po tayo ngayon. Kung may magpapawis man dyan, mag-basketball, any kind of sports. Guys, oh, magandang papawis guys. Table tennis guys, oh. Kaso tama, nasa init kaya tumigil na. Magtampis ako kayo sa swimming pool guys. Diyan sa Shangri-La. Kung residence kayo dyan. Guys, thank you for watching guys, and good morning, and don't forget to follow my page. Thank you guys, and good morning, and God bless you all. Ang traffic guys, walang traffic. Yan yung MRT guys. Yan, walang traffic, pati yung EDSA guys. Oh, tuloy-tuloy yung daloy ng traffic. Guys, thank you.